Jakes move because Jakes are like he's a white child him have. Why Jakes not take up Chukums and mine him since Chukums are poodle. Take up Chukums and mine him because Jakes careless too when it comes to Chantau. A dirty stinking careless parents them. Chantau says she want a waist trainer. Chantau like you want anything because her mama now produce something. Her mama produce something like she. That's why I call little baby. She licky just like her mother. It's true. She licky just like her mother. Me not ask you no. Fear is fear. I come and tell lie. But if me did that, do you get everything? Rosalie, no. You leave your pick them September morning back to school. You think Akeem prep Rosalie for go back on the FYP with Jake's name? Akeem do that. That's why him share Jake's yesterday. That's why him share Jake's yesterday. Them know where them are do, and then when time them come, them cry victim. When me talk about the little back, then the whole of una say, leave the kid out of it. Children are off limit, and that wanna tell me. So when the whole of una say, the little girl is too prime, the little, and over here someone must come step because we know say she override. We know say all the worm in her she. We know that little girl is blighted. We know that. We always know that Yanibu don't. We talk it over here for a long time. Remember when the old grudge? She always bring the little girl in them big people dirty argument. She if I me like Jakes, I put out Chantau. I put her out because Chantau have a man, she can go sleep down there. Remember you take her off a man. I put out Chantau Street Lane Avenue. Since she's so grown and understand life, go yourself. Remember Rosalie was given away by a baby as a baby. Yeah, and over to Westmoreland. I put out Chantau. I put out Chantau long time. Me, my love, me and an adult now staying away me a pay for. Of course, our mother start off a peanut. Chantau can walk and sell pad. Me not ask her, she can sell a sanitary napkin. Me not ask her because since she's so grown. Me not ask her that you can see Jakes are selling body to make him pity them alright and you are chat them something about you not have no stepmother. The class will be the class Chantau, you see. And when Jakes with him mix up still for him every tongue but I'm not gonna take away our phone. You're too lie man. You forget to. You forget. You're too lie. Sometimes I feel like you and Rosalie do this together, you know. I wonder if Cheryl about. Sometimes I feel like him and Rosalie in this thing together. Children's service no need to supervise no visit. Children's service need to take Chantau and send her to one boarding school. Chantau needs to go to a boarding school. But I'm going to tell her, I'm going to what they call up the name, I'm going to tell her with the every tongue. Lift up your tongue. The L them want pronounce. Lift your tongue. Come on, if Jake's an idiot. But I don't take what girl, not say that to me. Lift up your tongue off of your teeth. You see the negativity that oozes out from Rosalie every time you turn on your phone and glide for your FYP. It's just pure negativity. Like that lady don't understand herself. Rosalie, when you saw draw crutches all over, you talk about Marcia. And people give them mattress. Rosalie, your children just did a sleep in the living room and see you. On a divan bed, we call start life bed. Your children just did a sleep with gunman in the house to Rosalie. Remember your days now? Because it obviously not remember. Make me remind you, remember your room was a kitchen. Remember it's a kitchen, you turn in a bedroom and your bed did dip on 4 block. So when you talk about bed and get and give it, Rosalie always remember say, and you are the only hot girl who sleep on 4 block, Rosalie, and you could lay down for your back on the bed because it's a homemade bed you did have. Remember side where you sleep after you're supposed to numb. Always remember, you could lay down for your back and Jakes come on the bed. That's why Jakes used to roam the streets of the city because of one at a time. Remember when you wake up, Jakes could have catch a nap. Come now, Rosalie. Cause obviously you don't remember which part you did. That's why everywhere you get no and go, you turn it in a garbage pan. And your nature rubbish. Always remember. Roxanne, big up yourself, my baby. You don't remember where you come from. You don't remember where you come from and you're still there mentally. So me don't know how you for argue with girl. Me don't know how you for argue with girl. You not buy no vehicle. You not have nothing in life but a bedroom set. You not have nothing in life but a bedroom set. You not buy no vehicle. Cause you a girl when you buy things you show papers. You name the pan a car note. Eh? You name the pan a car note. You buy man things. You buy man all of your fantasies. And it's barely a bedroom set, thank you. Eh? The vehicle they are no mechanic. The vehicle they are no mechanic. No make them use no story catch you. The vehicle was told, the story was told that she buy a vehicle to catch the internet. Cause she want it look like say Akeem a boss her. Are you a boss Akeem? Or Akeem for boss you? Or Akeem for boss you when him come confess that you put him on him foot. Then what kind of foot Akeem did? I remember crawling in your life upon him belly in the day. Eh? Upon him belly in the day they crawling, you wasn't a soldier because we not seen no fish in a camouflage. So make it work. Eh? Make it work. Remember when you show bedroom set in a downtown, you there look a walk a look cheap bedroom set to buy. Rosalie, what you really having a life? If your story them is just fake and lie. Make the whole of a reason. You and Akeem to lie. Exactly. She have to do everything for lie because it's not real. She can't use the prayer for customer excuse now and stop call up the man the name. Stop call up the man the name because him not the kind of teeth is a Nike Mavias or a Puma yes so. Remember must put two sports brand in a female. Remember the Nike tip there yes and the Puma stretch yes so. Remember the prayer can't argue with nobody. So nobody call him because him can't cuss me. Always remember that. Cause him get them sideways like a Nike tick and a Puma stretch. Remember drop your teeth stay like this. There's a split in his mouth. Okay. I'm not argue with Japaya. You don't argue with them people like you don't give them no strength. Remember, he was converted by Akeem and Rosalie. Yeah. He's a new convert. We're not getting we're talking about baby word. And as she we're talking about. We are talking about how Rosalie forged her own. And that we are talking about. You know why hear that and that we are talking about how Rosalie forged her. Anytime she wants to throw wood pan Jake, she call a little girl. Anytime at all. She wants to throw wood pan Jake. Chantau could have never get new uniform and new school bag go back to school September. Me as Jakes, me never buy it. She wear everything old, go back to school. Something old, nothing new. Jump the broom. Jump the broom to the classroom. Yeah, me not ask you. Yeah. Me not ask you. Pick me for know them space. Me not ask you. Yeah, me not ask you. Jump the broom right in a teacher mouth, our teacher face, our teacher arm. Jump the broom. When I make that little bit where you feel too hot and hype. Me not run picnic joke. Me not run picnic joke. Oh. You never chat me, you say, if Jakes did deal with Chantau like a child, Chantau would have depend on her life and say, Mommy, me not depend that me as a child. What you and Daddy have, when you don't get me involved. She is savvy enough. She is savvy enough. Chantau sound like Smaddy Bright. Eh? Chantau sound like Smaddy Bright. But mommy, I upset my spirit. When me eat, I want to lift up my clothes and take off my underwear. I want to take off my French cut, you know how long them French they stop wear. I want to take off my French cut when me hear the little girl. Mommy, I upset my spirit. The class with me, that class the little girl not stop here so. The class with me, that class the little girl not stop here so. Hey, you see living in Franklin Town teach me a lot. Me know parents will pepper them daughter all in her. Me know parents will open them daughter foot and throw pepper in there and rub it up and tell them say so cocky feel. Yeah. Me say Franklin Town is the melting pot for any character. If Franklin Town calm, I must say now. If Franklin Town calm, I must say now. Me know mother, and when me stand up and say, pepper them daughter all, cause you know big man more than me in here, so. You know no more big man than me. The burn will cool off. And your first case of infection that, remember body you want to take, and cocky come with many things. And your first case of infection that feel how it feels, there's a burning sensation underneath you. That little girl too grown, Chantau should have get with barbed wire. And this you call spare the rod and spoil the child. It's true, straight down Kirk. Not play with them. We not play with them, we dress them well, but them have to stay in our child's lane. Jakes can't blame nobody because Jakes is just like Rosalie. When it comes to Chantau, the two of them careless. When it comes to Chantau, the two of them careless. Jakes is not a good father to Chantau. Him allow Chantau to do every and anything and all disrespect him. Remember the little girl show him bad word sign in and skin out her body game pan live, you know. Remember, cause no for no remember. Make Jakes move cause Jakes a go like he's a white child him have. Why Jakes not take up Chukums and mind him since Chukums a poodle. Take up Chukums and mind him cause Jakes careless too when it comes to Chantau. A dirty stinking careless parents them. And all him can do a company FYP a class Rosalie. Stop classing Rosalie and go man. Why? Because if Chantau don't respect Jake, she don't respect Marcia. So me not think CDA need to leave Chantau in and none of them care. That's for Chantau. That's for the little girl. That's her way. Because obviously the little girl there on her own life. If Chantau don't respect your Jakes, you can't come on the app and say Marcia look after them. Marcia ain't looking after nobody. Marcia ain't looking after nobody. Give up Chantau to one cathedral school. Chantau need to go one Catholic school where she wear gold on her head cover. And it's just the truth. Of course she need to go turn on. The little girl a go. Me say the little girl in a state of disrepair. She's in a state of disrepair. And the parents, none of the parents not doing any better for the little girl. None. Them give her too much upper hand. Like she have them secret. I wonder if she catch them a grind. As lawless as you see me be. Me not run picnic joke, you know. Picnic can be prime and respectful. I am not asking you, I'm telling you. Nothing is wrong with a child being prime and respectful. Nothing is wrong with that. So when Rosalie says, oh more my child, tell me when me you wrong go suck your mother, Rosalie. I would have chopped in your face with a cut zinc. Yeah, anyhow you didn't live at Franklin Town. Anyhow you could have passed my gate, not even a little picnic them. Come here beat them for you if me can't hold you. Jake's coming like him a teenager, I'm just fine in prime. You must be mad. When I'm done with them. But I'm in the people I'm in the queue, nobody wants to say. I'm in the queue, them turn and them like go suck your dirty mama Rosalie. You stink like peanut trash. Yeah, come around up your stinking mouth. Chantau need to sit down. She need to sit down. You have your baby up on the FYP, just like the careless mama. Daughter careless and mother careless. Cause you go like you come from nowhere. But Marcia for sure tell it. Sure you're telling because when you used to shit and piss like jailers. Remember son stay and toilet seat like when you get remand with others. Remember son cock up on toilet seat. Yeah. Remember phone about your wife, so. Remember on the shake out shit, you know? Oh. Remember on the shake out shit, so when you come and go on Rosalie, outside toilet you used to use an outside kitchen. And just the other day go inside so till you have to catch cold. Cause you know used to cave in. I don't know where you come about attack. Eh? Remember when time Jake's gone with the USB cable in the house in a complete darkness like JPS 8 or no. Always remember that. Remember your girl not change curtain and one curtain you get and put up on your window, you know. And on the front window that. Remember Start Life bed used to in a bedroom and Shantau and Barbara used to sleep together. You don't think them a Siamese twin. Always remember that. Always know saying a mental slavery. Always. Remember when you live a sea view, you have to sleep naked because the place does a kill you, does a draw eat pan you, and your dream them alone drip. Always remember say your dream them alone drip. You don't think a Jerry Curl or eye stroke. Your dream them alone drip, Rosalie. Always remember that. Remember when the police them come, you'd have to throw one blows over you, you know. Always remember that you have to sleep naked. Remember Mosquito used to sing lullaby to you. And one fan used to in there when Jakes and you now grind. The fan stay in the center of the door. And it blow upon you and the kids them. Remember your little fan with it overhead here, so. And remember your children them wake up with order and nobody beat them just put on them clothes and go to school. Remember teacher for back them off when she mark them book. Remember teacher to make you put them talking in her face, you know, because them breath bad. Come now Rosalie, cause you go like one toothbrush never surface see you. Eh? Remember your days. Remember your picking them did closeless. Them did closeless. And me cuss you make you go up and she go tear it down. Them did closeless. Thank God for the Chinese people them. Them give the wears them in a bulk. Eh? Remember me cuss you for care what you picking them, you know. And you carry them go one game shop over Portmore. Remember it's me cuss you. Eh? Me not come about the garbage heap yet. Cause remember I saw them eat, so saw them throw them things pan the ground. You know, so she spit the bone pan the ground one day. You know, the rented place. You know, see Rosalie at the bone of the bubble gum. The bubble gum she spit pan the ground one day. You know, the rented place. She soon take it up when she done live. Remember a page joke she run with rubbish? Of course, never punch up the girl memory. Never punch up her memory and get a jump start. Cause she like use that. She like use everything we are going with sheep and people. Never punch up her memory, man. I always tell you this. No care how you see them. Rosalie is in a position to argue with no girl. Cause she have a baby or she can't control. Me say the one view we are wait pan. And the one view with the little girl we are wait pan. Yeah, me a bathing rag upon the door. Yeah. These are the things we talk about. So many times she still on that talk. Rosalie in a position for arguing nobody because she not have no money. Remember say she's Akim's worker. Remember stipend Rosalie get like she got art trust. Remember Rosalie work half commission like she work and sell storeroom goods. She work half commission. Oh, always remember that. Money low, that's why she come out at an pitch pan Jakes. Cause she knows her daughter they're gonna take the FYP. I'm always telling her she draw the little girl in an adult conversation. Cause she knows the internet are gonna say, keep the kids out of it, keep rich kids and it's a baby order. We see things coming from afar. You can look on a baby and say this is going to be a prime minister, a doctor, a pilot. At the same way you can look on a baby and say this is going to be a gunman or a whore. Oh. I don't know how they can always look on kids and say this is a doctor growing up in a, this is a pilot growing up in a. Then only can look on a child and say this is a whore coming. I don't know how they can do it. Only love stifle for the conscience. I don't depend on that shit. Me not depend that shit from she starts the period she got have a whole heap of nature and that one no know. So the little girl starts the blood already there, so you know say her nature is strong. She shall hook out sea view. Yeah. She shall hook out sea view. Me not understand how una sit down and stifle for una conscience. I coulda do it. Me coulda do it. So me see it as some me talk it. So me see it as some me talk it. Yeah. Me not ask you no. Oh, I pay hypocrite upon the app. Keep the kid. I don't like when big people talk about kids. If you check the prison bar, you're born a 40-year-old, they're behind it for no crime. I pay 18, 17, 15, 14. Oh. I pay a teenager mature in a prison. When me talk to the little girl is too ripe. The internet want jump down on me, but you me not care. When me talk, you know. Cause me no business with what me say. When me talk. You know, go back to your yard now. When me talk, me not care. Me not care. When me see me talk, if you want to see and cut on the eye, you not helping the generation. And that you for know, if no for owner didn't, if no for owner never did support Rosalie, she'd be a humble individual. It's only makes you stay so because you like it. Remember on the negative too, you know. Remember no for owner not grow good too, you know. I don't have to pick me where class or not, you know. So that's when they can support this type of behavior. Remember for pick the talk to like dog, you know. Remember no for only where support Rosalie. For pick the talk to like drunk or for pick the have no respect for no. No more for the little girl have the man sit down on the veranda where Uno appearing for. And she are going to phone the fridge, go give him water. Where Uno buy the fridge, where Uno buy. Remember for the little girl take man from basic school. That is why you can support certain behavior like this. Let me tell you that. Uno alone sit down on live and say, same so girl. Same so Rosalie. Yeah. What you mean? Uno. Remember Uno like for the mother and respect her, you know. Remember for the pick them eat from birth. Them sorry say for the whole audition for bring them. Always remember that the little girl is a liar just like her mother. Just like her mother, she's a liar. Me not ask you no. She's just like a liar like her mother. She find comfort in telling lies, especially on adults. And then you say leave the kids out of adult conversation and the little girl find it fitting to tell lie on adults. Chantau could not even get lunch money from me so she can't bother learn. You make me wonder how someone really grow. But anybody saying about Chantau, she for class them, then where you there for your mouth not big like your body. You're supposed to defend your offspring. Yeah, put the little girl in a adult argument. Me a wrap her up. Me have some adult thing when I want to tell the ginger fly. She don't need no supervision because she have an auntie named Lammy. And because of how the mother treats the auntie, the daughter don't respect the auntie. Lammy can even talk to Shanta. That enough to know. That is the first sign. If my mother and my mother's sister kick off, and that auntie is the auntie about respect, I am in no position for buy my mother argument. Me can't even buy it out. You never know. I can't even buy it out. Me not in a position to buy out that. Me have to see my auntie and my mother argue and wish the argument well. Whatever feeling my mother have towards her sisters, me can't have them feeling as a child. Me have to know so the same auntie where she and my mother kick off can call me and send me go shop and me have to humbly go. Your mother? Me don't know how nurture things so. The child has no manners to Jakes. Then how she go respect Jake's mama? That is the next thing. That is the next thing. Why Lammy not talk to the little girl? Because Lammy can't. You want Rosalie kick out Lammy all? And that's enough for look pan. No morals to true discover. None. None whatsoever. The little girl look on her mother today and tell her mother say she mine, man. Mary, all in my mind, man, you couldn't even say it. You must be mad. The little girl have Jake's secret and Rosalie's secret. Because them catch them one another with clit and dicks in her mouth. The little girl go catch it, so 69 is not a crime. She have them secrets. You never know, Shalisha. It's true. No little picnic where you grow and invest in a can't talk to you anyway. Could never. The little girl always bring them down in a public because she now wait for private. Because they are not available. Sometimes when I see people back them type of behavior, I can't respect that even your mama when I don't know. That's why it's easy for me to tell someone to go suck on a mother. It's easy for me to tell you now. Because some behavior we want to support. I can't believe this. It's easy for me to tell you to go suck out on a dirty stinking old mother. It is easy. Of course children live where them learn. Children live where them learn. And them only can learn if you nurture them in a bad situation. That's why I don't run no joke with no little girl. Natalie, wagwan my baby. I don't laugh with no little picnic. There's a look for me. It's true. What you mean not all the times? Come here. Is if you nurture a child in your bad situation, if you let a child believe that whatever you're doing is good, the child will not turn out to be anything more than just like you. So you can't say not all the time, because all children need a free will. All children need a free will from a parent. You never know that. So when you say not all the time, you have to dip on your P and your Q from you start having kids. Your life is no longer your own. So you can't run up and down with boy who and name a call pan batty. Your child never ever respect you. She free for do what she want to do. Thank you, Daisy, my baby. She free for do what she want to do. Roxanne, big up yourself. The child free for do what she want to do. And that enough for one to say. Chantau no want to learn nothing good. I am just big up yourself. My time so up though, me have 2 main sleeve. Yeah, it's true, it's just the truth. She keep bringing on Chantau and the life every time she want to bring down Jakes. Because she know Chantau willing to bring down Jakes. I feel so Rosalie pay Chantau for bring down Jakes. I not ask you know. Chantau get her money, that's why she have to eat the streets of the city. Chantau is a call girl. You bribe the little girl with money. The first thing you tell her, me not have no iPhone Pro Max 18 for buy no picnic. But if you pass your GSAT, me not have none of that for buy you. When me buy you, me fulfill your book list from early. So that you have all of your book them for go turn Dr. Liar, Indian and Chief. Oh. Jakes can't lick Chantau because Jakes operate like he's not Chantau's father. Livia, my baby, want Jakes operate like he's not Chantau's father. But you promise a child iPhone 18. Eh? iPhone which 18? When me done buy her book list and pay for her extra lesson, she come out and wear binoculars. All of her words them are for big as a child. Because she will live under the night light. You mad? That little deck slam, she will live underneath it. Me not ask you know. The both of them careless, Jake's careless and Rosalie careless. The both of them careless, they might use all of them gifts here to bribe the children. That's not parenting. That's not parenting. That is not parenting at all. Them big, dirty and careless. If Rosalie never did get $1, she'd have spent more time on her picnic them. Me not ask you. If people just say me not support you because your daughter don't have no manners, I bet you say she da wise up, Chantau. If people say Jakes me nah give you nothing, because you're picking them, not you're picking them, you're picking them have no manners. I bet you them would have put things in order. And uno pan the app a turn Chantau or uno pan the internet a turn Chantau or Rosalie just have to go with the flow. She just have to go with the flow. And uno a turn the little girl in a or uno. And the little girl is ungrateful like her dirty mama. It's true. The two of them careless. Them careless real bad. Them big dirty stink and careless. I pick on the people, me join on tomorrow, mix up Monday, you know where I come back on this. Me join on tomorrow. Me I come back both Marcia get Marcia bed where she sleep and she get it. Rosalie, the amount of things people give you because you never have it. Come here now. You go like nuts can buy the Ivan. You go like nuts can buy the Ivan. Remember you picking them did naked than water because you can't show coloring in that. Remember your kids them did naked and remember dead people clothes they used to wear. That is why all per Monday you dress like you got dinner. Remember your dress them did long and a spaghetti strap. Always remember them days, Rosalie. And remember say a community cream your ear, or what left cream you used to put in your ear. You don't know what it's like to sit in a hairdresser. Remember when you start get your foot rub. Come here now, you're lucky you never drop. A dead people clothes Rosalie used to wear from your granny dead and she have her fandangles them you give to Rosalie. Rosalie used to work and accept things from the community. Always remember that. Always remember that a true only no know June. Only don't know June or July. Eh? Only don't know them. But that's how it go. That's why she ate when I open my mouth. Remember Rosalie used to draw her crutches from behind a war theatre, out of back market, Princess Street, to down a spoilers. Remember a little careless boy used to jump on her back, a whole heap of cheese the body Rosalie getting her mouth, whole heap of cheese the cocky. Rosalie know what it's like to shut her eye and swallow her pride. Come now man, tomorrow pick up this, make you can't bother with you now. Later for now. Big up on yourself, stay blessed and keep sweet, live, laugh and love. Put that before everything and everyone. Little more.